Hello, my wonderful friends, and welcome back to English Voices. I'm so happy you're here with me today. This is your special place to practice English in a calm, gentle, and friendly way. Before we begin, let me ask you something. Did you take a moment for yourself today? Maybe you had a busy morning, or maybe you're just now finding some quiet time. Wherever you are, I'm glad you're here. Take a slow, deep breath with me. This is your time. For those of you who are new, my name is Sarah, and I'm your guide here on English Voices. This channel is all about helping you feel more comfortable and confident when you speak English. No pressure, no rush, just practice together. Today, we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to share with you how to create your own English practice scripts. Yes, you heard that right. Today, you will learn a simple way to make your own shadowing practice at home. This way, you'll never run out of things to practice. But before we dive in, let's connect with each other. In the comments, please say hello in your own language. I'll try a few. Namaste. Hola. Ciao. Bonjour. Marhaba. Now it's your turn. Write it down. I'd love to see words from all over the world in our comments section. Also, tell me where you are watching from today. Which country? Which city? Maybe we'll see flags from India, Brazil, Mexico, Egypt, Turkey, Japan, or Germany. If you see someone from your country, give them a friendly wave in the comments. One more thing before we start our practice. I'm curious about something. When you listen to English, what part feels hardest to copy? Is it the speed? The pronunciation? The way words connect together? Tell me in the comments. Your answers help me make better lessons for you. All right, my dear friends. Let's begin today's special topic. Today, I want to teach you a simple method to write your own shadowing scripts. This is a powerful skill because it means you can practice any topic you want, anytime you want. Here is the method in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Choose a topic you love. Pick something that makes you happy. Maybe it's food, travel, movies, or daily routines. When you enjoy the topic, practice feels less like work and more like play. For example, if you love cooking, you can make a script about making your favorite dish. If you love sports, you can talk about your favorite game. Step 2. Write short, simple sentences. Don't write long, complicated sentences. Keep them short and natural. Think about how people really speak. For example, instead of writing, "I frequently enjoy consuming coffee during the early hours of the morning," write, "I love drinking my coffee in the morning." See the difference? Simple is better. Let me give you a quick example. If your topic is morning routine, you could write, "I wake up at 7 o'clock. I stretch my arms and legs. I make a cup of tea. I sit by the window. I think about my day." See how simple that is? These are perfect for shadowing practice. Step 3. Read your sentences out loud. This is very important. After you write your sentences, read them to yourself. Listen to how they sound. Do they feel natural? Do they flow well? If a sentence feels awkward, change it. Make it yours. Step 4. Record yourself or practice with me. You can record your own voice reading the sentences, then listen and repeat. Or you can come back to English Voices and practice with me. The important thing is to use your voice every day. Now, let me share a little secret with you. You don't need perfect sentences to practice. You just need real sentences. Sentences about your life, your thoughts, your dreams. When you connect English to your own world, you remember it better. It sticks with you. So, here is your invitation for today. I want you to try making your own short script. Just 5 sentences about your morning, your favorite food, or something you did yesterday. Write them down. Then read them out loud. Then come back here and tell me in the comments, I made my first script today. I will cheer for you. I promise. Now let's practice together with a short script I made just for you. This script is about something we all feel sometimes, being tired but still trying. Listen to my voice and then repeat after me. We will say each sentence twice. First, listen. Then, speak with me. Today was a long day. Today was a long day. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired. But I still showed up here. But I still showed up here. I'm proud of myself for that. I'm proud of myself for that. Small steps add up over time. Small steps add up over time. I don't need to be perfect. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep going. I just need to keep going. Tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow is a new day. I'll rest now and try again. I'll rest now and try again. You did beautifully. See how simple those sentences were? You can write sentences just like these about your own life. Here's another quick example. Let's say your topic is evening relaxation. You could write, I finish my work. I close my laptop. I make some warm tea. I sit on my couch. I watch a show I like. I feel calm and peaceful. I am happy with my day. These are all perfect for shadowing practice. And the best part? You wrote them yourself. They come from your life, so they mean something to you. Now, I want to share one more helpful tip. Keep a small notebook for your scripts. Just a simple notebook where you write a few sentences each day. It doesn't have to be fancy. Over time, you'll build your own collection of practice material, and you'll see how much your English grows. You might be thinking, but Sarah, what if I make grammar mistakes? That's okay. This is practice, not a test. The goal is to speak, to use your voice to build confidence. Grammar will improve with time and practice. Don't let fear of mistakes stop you from writing and speaking. Remember, every single person who speaks English fluently started right where you are now. They made mistakes. They felt unsure. But they kept going. And you can too. So, here's my wish for you today. After this video ends, take 5 minutes. Grab a pen and paper or open a note on your phone. Write 5 sentences about your day. Keep them simple. Then read them out loud. You've just created your own English practice. And if you feel brave, share one of your sentences in the comments. I would love to read them. We can all learn from each other. Thank you so much for spending this time with me on English Voices. I am genuinely proud of you for showing up today. That's what matters most. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. This is our little community where we grow together, one gentle step at a time. Hit the bell so you never miss a practice session. Until next time, keep writing, keep speaking, and keep believing in your own beautiful voice. You are doing amazing things. Take care, my friends. Goodbye for now.